Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a complete Gantt chart system in Notion step by step using a ready-made template and a few simple customizations. This setup is perfect for managing projects, planning content, organizing deadlines, tracking progress, and handling team workflows in a clean and visual way. The best part is that you don't need to build everything from scratch. We'll use a template from the marketplace and turn it into a powerful project management system that's easy to update and customize. To begin, open Notion and navigate to the workspace where you want your Gantt chart to be created. You can either create a new page or use an existing workspace depending on your project setup. Once you're inside the page, open the Page Options menu and go to the Templates section. This will open the Notion Template Gallery, where you can browse different layouts created by both Notion and the community. In the search bar, type Gantt chart and browse through the available results. If you're a beginner, it's usually better to choose a free and simple template because it's easier to understand and customize later. When you find a template you like, open the preview and take a quick look at the structure. Check how the timeline is organized, how tasks are displayed, and whether the design matches the workflow you want to create. Once you're ready, click the Add button to import the template directly into your workspace. After the template is added, open the Timeline view. This is where the Gantt chart becomes interactive. Every bar on the timeline represents a task, milestone, or project activity scheduled across specific dates. One of the most useful features of a Gantt chart in Notion is the drag and drop functionality. You can move tasks across the timeline simply by dragging them left or right. You can also extend or shorten the bars to change task duration without manually editing dates. This makes project planning much faster and more visual. Next, start customizing the database to fit your workflow. Rename tasks, add project details, assign team members, and create statuses such as planning, in progress, review, or completed. You can also add tags, priorities, or categories to organize your projects more efficiently. Another powerful feature is task dependencies. By linking tasks together, you can create workflows where one task depends on another being completed first. This helps you visualize the order of your project and makes scheduling much easier, especially for larger or more complex workflows. You can also switch between multiple views depending on how you want to manage your information. Use the timeline view for scheduling, the table view for detailed editing, or the board view for task management. Since all views are connected to the same database, every change updates automatically across the entire system. Once everything is set up, you'll have a clean and professional Gantt chart system that works great for personal projects, freelance work, content planning, business management, and team collaboration. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials, productivity tips, and workflow guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.